At Hillsbank, we value teaching kids the importance of saving for their future.
Welcome to Kids Gazette Cooking Series, guys, our March edition, our first edition. Welcome to spring, right? It's finally March. We're so excited. Welcome to our awesome kitchen as well. We are so thankful for Plum Supply for being with us today and letting us use their beautiful showroom. We cannot thank them enough. We also want to thank our awesome presenting sponsors, Hillsbank and Iowa Pork Producers. They are the backbone of this program, and we cannot thank them enough. We are so excited also to be making some awesome Barnyard Animal Treats today in the celebration of agriculture. For those that do not know, I am Chelsea Grieder, the events planner here with the Gazette. I've been with the team just under a year, and Kids Gazette Cooking Series, guys, is a passion project of mine. This is the first edition, the first run of this, and we cannot wait to make food craving memories with you. We're gonna walk through all the instructions today, walk through the entire recipe, talk about the different things, and learn some great things about agriculture, right? So we cannot wait to get in, dive in, and let's get cooking. Guys, we are so excited to have my family here today. I have my brother, sister-in-law, and my niece, Evie, and their almost newbie that is gonna be coming in soon. So guys, as you see coming across your screen right now, you're gonna see a digital recipe card that includes all the ingredients, all of the great instructions, and also all of the price points, which is great. So we have our 6 cups of rice cereal. We have our 4 cups of marshmallows. You wanna eat one? No, you're gonna eat one, okay. We have our white candy coating that is already coarsely chopped, and we have our 3 tablespoons of butter, and then we also have all of our cookie cutters. With Evie being here, we wanted to recreate what her barnyard would be like. She's super into dinosaurs right now, so that is what we have in front of us, plus some unicorns and plus some horses, right? Awesome. So then we also, guys, have our sprinkles, we have our food coloring, all those great things like that. All right, well, let's get started. Let's start getting the pan going. And we're gonna take the butter over and let's go get melt. What do we do first?
Melt this.
So Evie, tell me what your favorite animals are right now, other than dinosaurs. Do you like pigs and sheep?
Yeah.
Yeah. A reminder, we have our 4 cups of large marshmallows. Again, you can use the mini marshmallows, whatever you would like, but the 4 cups of big ones is what we're doing today. I'm gonna hand these over to Evie. You got them, girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay. Gonna help Mom. There you go.
This is a little heavy.
That's why we have Mom to help us, right? So we're gonna see the marshmallows start to melt. We are melting the marshmallows and making that base mixture. We wanna remind you that we are celebrating agriculture this month, as March is the celebration of agriculture. Right now, our awesome sponsor, Hillsbank, has got some great things going on. They have this really cool book called The Lost Chick. Make sure to go pick that up at your local branch, and they have these really cute fluffy chicks to go with it. And they are also have their live chicks that are gonna be born on Facebook Live. With social distancing and pandemic, we have to do it over Facebook Live, but it's gonna have a great experience with that, guys. Definitely check that out at hillsbank.com. Awesome, guys. Well, we're gonna start mixing up our Barnyard crispy treats. Okay, guys, you ready? We'll start dumping those in. Got your spatula, girlfriend? All right. Perfect. So they're gonna start mixing these, guys, and getting the full mixture put together. We wanna make sure all the Rice Krispies are getting covered, and then we'll start putting it into our 9x13 pan. Taylor, tell me, you guys are part of Iowa Pork Producers. What is that all involved? And Cody, what does that all involve? What do you guys do throughout the year with them?
Yeah, so for the most part, we're extremely active with actually the Benton County Pork Producers, which is our county. We do events with them throughout the year, but we're specifically involved in community outreach.
Awesome, really cool. Does that include like going out and grilling pork burgers and doing that really cool stuff?
Yeah. So we typically volunteer our time to go out and make pork burgers for different school functions, different activities throughout the year. Yes, you're doing great. Stir it all up. Different events throughout the year, and then we also host a one of our biggest fundraisers is we actually cook and serve meals at the Benton County Fair.
Awesome, way cool.
I should have made gloves.
You should have worn gloves. Would you like Mommy to stir a little bit?
We'll let Mama help you.
All right.
Awesome.
Just to get it all mixed in. Oh, you've done a great job.
So guys, we are just getting ready to wrap up mixing up these awesome Rice Krispies that Taylor and Everly are creating Guys, one thing with Celebration of Agriculture, coming from, agriculture family, what's one thing you guys love about raising your kids in agriculture?
I would say just the early responsibility. The passion she has for the animals has been so much fun to see as that develops, getting out there, and she wants to do, chores in the morning and chores at night. And we love taking care of our animals together, don't we? What's your favorite part?
Holding sheep.
Yeah, she loves holding the baby sheep right now.
Me
So
too.
we're lambing, and we've had a great lambing season, and she's really enjoyed it. So yeah, just that early sense of responsibility and caring for others, I think.
Awesome. Well, guys, we're gonna finish up mixing up our Barnyard Crispy Treats. We're gonna melt the white candy coating here in a hot second, but while we're doing that, we're gonna check out a quick message from our sponsor, Iowa Pork Producers.
Caring for pigs is not just an individual job. We need the suppliers in town, we need the dealership in town to help fix our equipment, we need the veterinary to help solve an issue with a health challenge with our pigs. We need the grocery store in town. It truly does take a village to put a safe, healthy food on your table and keep farming sustainable. I am Kevin Rasmussen, and I am a pig farmer. We care about Iowa too.
All right, guys, well, Cody and Evie just got done mixing and melting the white candy coating. We are actually gonna start prepping our 13x9 bakeware. Make sure you can use glass, you can use non-stick, whatever you would like, but this is what we're gonna pour the Rice Krispies in. The fun thing we're gonna do is that we are gonna actually take the tin foil and we're gonna just lightly insert all tin foil all the way, and we're gonna leave some overhang to just let them cool. So you guys wanna do that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Again, guys, if you guys need to check back, please check back at the digital recipe card. This has step-by-step instructions for you to go through and create this awesome Barnyard Animal Crispy Treats.
Put that down.
Oh, good job, guys. Awesome. Do you want Aunt Chelsea to hold this for you and you want to start pouring in, or you want Mom to hold it? Mom to hold it? That's fine with me. All right, babe. Start pouring that in. Oh, they're sticky, aren't they?
You want me to help you get it started? Yeah.
There we go. As we're pouring these in, guys, they are gonna be really warm. We're gonna actually cut these out with these awesome cookie cutters that we have right in front of us. Some really great cost-saving tips, guys, is that if you have cookie cutters hanging out at home that you use once a year, you can cut them out, but you can also reshape them into whatever shape you guys wanna have for that time of year. Makes those things very, very useful and very, very timeless, which is awesome. And we are gonna start decorating. Are you ready? Okay, let's go grab them. All right. All right, we'll just take that and we're gonna split it out like that, and we're gonna start cutting them out. Awesome. What color should we start melting our candy in? So we're gonna take our melted candy, guys, and we're actually gonna split it in 3 bowls. You can do as many colors as you like. What is this one? What is this one called again?
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
Hey, what do baby pigs really like to eat? Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
They like marshmallows.
They like marshmallows too.
Oh man,
She's doing the rainbow.
I'm doing a rainbow.
Yes.
That's why I said sheep.
Guys, we're gonna take our food coloring here and we're gonna start putting in our white candy coating. You can do as dark or as light as you wanna do, and we're gonna start topping our Barnyard Crispy Treats. Are you ready, girlfriend?
It's yellow.
It's yellow?
It's mixing into yellow.
That's awesome.
How did she put green?
I did use green.
Yep, she made green over there, and then we got some yellow here.
Yeah.
Our bowls.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do the next one.
How is it turning green with only one color?
Because the food coloring is dyeing it together. How many T-Rexes are we gonna have on the farm? Should we have 2 or 3?
4.
4? Okay. That sounds good. The awesome things as well, guys, is that you can take your scraps and mix them back together and you lay it back out and we can cut up some more, which we're gonna do that here really quick and we'll be right back. Thank you so much to our sponsor, Hills Bank and Iowa Pork Producers. Again, we cannot thank them enough. We wanna thank our partner videographer, TKM Productions, for being our awesome partner and helping us film this awesome production. We wanna again thank Plum Supply for making this beautiful location accessible for us to use. Make sure to check out extra recipes on Kids Gazette online and in print. There are some awesome activities and articles for everybody from parents, grandparents, to kids, to everybody. We again want to thank everybody for being here.
Shake it. You like extra sprinkles, don't you?
I'm gonna do the baby T-Rex.
Baby T-Rex?
The baby T-Rex.
I said that's the part.
I think he's supposed to go this way. There you go. That's his foot. All right, you decorate him and then Aunt Chelsea will eat that one, okay?
I think he's the big one.
Oh, he's the big one? Okay, deal. Want some more blue?
No, he's the baby one.
Oh, okay.
This is my favorite color.
It is your favorite color.
That came out really fast.
That is okay.
I'm gonna try the big one.
All right, guys, well, we are gonna try our Barnyard Crispy Treats and our dinosaurs that we're so excited. We wanna say thank you again to our sponsors, Hills Bank and Iowa Pork Producers, for getting behind this program and being in our kitchen with us today. We wanna thank our location partner, Plum Supply, and our videographer partner, TKM Productions. We cannot do this program without them and their beautiful kitchens and their production. Make sure to check out Kids Gazette online and in digital. There's extra recipes, articles, and awesome great things to check out online and in print. We cannot wait to be back again here in April cooking some awesome pork taco supremos, which sound delicious. Again, guys, we'll see you back here in April. Keep making food craving memories. Those are really good, babe.
You did great.
Wow.
I ate the whole tail.
You ate the whole tail?
No, look like another sword.
Look, I ate the tail too.